A refrigerator works by removing heat from its interior and expelling it to the outside environment. It accomplishes this by compressing and expanding a refrigerant gas, which is a substance that can change from a liquid to a gas and back again at different temperatures. The liquid refrigerant then flows through a small opening known as the expansion valve or capillary tube, which reduces its pressure and causes it to rapidly expand. As the refrigerant expands, it absorbs heat from the fridge's interior, cooling the air inside. The cooled refrigerant gas then returns to the compressor, where the cycle begins again. This continuous cycle of compressing, condensing, expanding, and evaporating the refrigerant gas keeps the interior of the fridge cool and removes heat from the fridge. The temperature inside the fridge is controlled by a thermostat, which turns the compressor on and off as needed to maintain a consistent temperature. The fridge also has insulation to keep heat from entering from the outside, which helps to keep the temperature inside stable.